Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, come back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Today we're going to find out, ventless dryers, are they worth it? Depends on what your needs are. If you have a small home, you don't have a lot of places, they're very, very good. If you have a normal size home with a normal size family, you kind of don't want them because they take a little bit longer to work. Okay, but let's come over here real quick. Okay, what we have here is the basic Electrolux ventless dryer. Okay, if you look on the inside, it looks a whole lot the same except a little bit smaller. Okay, now if you come around the back here, you'll see I don't have a vent sticking out the back to where I can actually get where the air goes out of the house. No, because this actually recycles the air through. Okay, let me show you how it does that. Okay, so what happens is we'll come up front here. Okay, and the hot air comes in from the back up here, goes through it, goes into this. Okay, and then this goes down into a bunch of basically cavities and holes that actually run through the bottom of the unit. Okay, and then what happens is this is what the hot air is ran across. Okay, and what happened, what this does, as your hot air comes across it, it basically cools the hot air down, takes the moisture out of the air because it's, to be honest with you, it's humid air. So what happens is this will actually collect all of the moisture that's in the air, and then it recycles it back up and then back out and through. Now, you ask, what does it do with the air, the water that it, collects? Well, one of two things, okay? And this is basically, you take this out every so often, you run some water over it, you clean it up, dry it out, never have a problem with it. Basically your lid screen, without having a lid screen, but you do have a lid screen here also. But yeah, this will get dirty, this will get stuff all over. You take it to your kitchen sink or sink and run some water over it, cleans up real nice. Just slides right in there. And most of the units actually have a switch that if this is not closed, will not work, okay? I would show you back in there, but you can't see it. But back in there, it's kind of angled down. So as the moisture hits it, the moisture drops off, goes to a pump back here, and that pump, and then when it gets to a certain level, actually turns on and then feeds the water up into here. This is not a, I need to fill with water because I need to steam my thing. No, this is a water reservoir. So what happens is the water gets pumped into here, and then the temperature of the house, the temperature of the unit will actually, this water will evaporate, and it doesn't make a mess anywhere. So if you don't have space, these are really, really good to have. If you've got a small house, you've got a camper or something like that, these are really, really good. If you have a full-size house with a full-size setup, you kind of don't want these because, like I said, they take a lot longer to dry than normal. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good day. Bye.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.